when I left my last firm in Atlanta, the advice that I was given was, if come to the events, go to, like, and this is in a legal world, right? So come to the bar association events, go to the title seminars, go to the classes. And the goal is not to get overwhelmed by all the information, but to pick one thing from every opportunity. One thing. If you come home from a 3-day event and you gathered one thing that can help you in your business, that's a win. And so they would invest, my former bosses would invest on going to these events across the country, across the world, because they knew that if they got one thing, by the end of the year, they'd have 6, 12, 20 new things that could revolutionize the business. Maybe one of them revolutionizes it all on its own. I think that's pretty cool. And that's how we always look at it. So that's where this video series started, was I'm just going to talk about one thing. Now it's kind of beyond that at this point, but one big thing that you guys can pull from it. And if that's not good for you, check out the other videos. Right, Mike? What's your one good thing from the day?
Here's my one good thing, that tonight you're up for an award, and I think your dad might be up too. You're going to leave us with a cliffhanger this week.
Yeah,
Next
so
week
Mike
we'll
and
see
I
who
are
won.
going to the Naples Best Gala. We've been, both Mike's company and my company have been honored previously. I'm hoping to hit the 20 awards plateau tonight. That's what I'm hoping for. So we're up for Best Title Company, Best Law Firm, and Best Attorney. And like you said, Mike, my dad and I are fighting for Best Attorney. We're competing with each other. Probably not a good thing, but
I love it.
he'll be my first call when I beat him tonight.
Absolutely.
All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining another day. All these videos are on YouTube. If you haven't watched this one, or if you want to watch it again, or if you haven't watched some of the previous ones, it's youtube.com/Christian Ross.